Don't outsource your judgment to AI has been my new mantra. That being said, if you have it work on stuff and then you, like we talked about, I think in our last cast, where you put yourself in like a managerial like approval,
Yeah.
you don't let the AI contact anyone on your behalf. You don't let it like book the flight on your behalf, but it does all that prep work and gets you to like the point of final decision. That's a different model, and I think there's a lot of use for that. It takes a little bit of getting used to, there's a lot of trial and error, but there's a really big opportunity there. But the judgment piece is scary to me, is I see a lot of people giving way too much trust in this, or I'm gonna get rid of my assistant, or I don't need an assistant, and it's if you pay an assistant to just do stuff for you, or you're probably not getting great value, and it's probably
Yeah.
not a good assistant, to be honest. You're paying the assistant for when 6 people want to book your noon lunch slot and to pick the right one, and then
Mhm.
not piss off the other 5. And so, can AI do the messaging? Probably. Should it be? I don't personally think so. I'm not an AI doomer. I'm also not an AI hyper, but there's a there's a really big danger for that. The other thing too is if you're outsourcing your judgment, your email is gonna sound just like everyone else's AI generated email.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's gonna fool some people, but people are really wising up to this. Like, communications thing, there's a lot of nonverbal stuff that I think a lot of people who push AI for everything don't quite understand that there's, like, this EQ that people talk about that,
You
like,
can
up
find us
on
at
these, like,
create.com.
externalities.
It's like the word create, but with a 3 instead of the C. As always, we encourage you to listen, watch, do. We'll see you next time. You can support this podcast at patreon.com/38 or at ko-fi.com/38. Thanks for listening.